Okay, so we've looked at LCM, we've looked at GCD. Now what I want to look at is word problems and how to apply these principles in a practical sense to mathematical questions or real life situations where you need to find out information. So I'm going to write two lists. One is going to be GCD questions, one's going to be LCM questions, and the type of information they're going to ask you. So here's my two lists, and don't by any means think these are extensive or final. These are the types of questions they will ask you. They do not encompass every possible question you will find. But GCD will ask you to split things into smaller groupings, equally distribute two or more sets of items into largest groupings, figure out how many people can come, or divide things into rows and sections. LCM will ask things such as determine the next time a repeating event happens, purchase or get multiple items, or about repeating events in general. Now, as I said, they're not extensive, but these are the type of questions we would have. And so we're going to go through a couple of questions now, and we'll break down why they're asking you what they are. Samantha has two pieces of material, one 90 centimeters and the other 72 centimeters. She wants to cut the material into pieces of the same length. What is the maximum length of each piece? So looking at this question right now, you might go, oh, I don't know, is it LCM or GCD? There's a few keywords we can look for to figure out what it wants us to do. So first of all, she wants to cut the material into pieces or divide it. They need to be the same length, common, and she wants to know the maximum length or greatest. So she wants to know the greatest common length they can be divided into. It's going to be a GCD question. And so we go and we solve this like we would anything else, and I'm going to use factor trees because that's the way I like to do it. And once I've expressed my number as products of their primes, I find the lowest power of all common factors. So it's going to be 2 and 3 squared. So then I have that 90, 72 equals 2 times 3 squared equals 2 times 9 equals 18. Then I'd finish with a worded answer. Maximum length is 18 centimeters. I've broken down my question, I've solved it, I've made an informed response. Now I'll give you another example and we'll see if we can break that one down. Ben exercises every 12th day. Mary every 8th. If they train together today, when's the next soonest time they will train again? Breaking in this question, we're looking for the soonest or the lowest value. We're looking for when they can train together again, so common time. And we're looking at a repeating event or a multiple event. Multiple events, soonest time they can do it again, together, lowest common multiple. And so we go on, we solve this the same way we solve anything else. You can write out numbers. I, again, like factor trees. Okay, so once I've got this, I can then go and take the highest power of every factor. And again, I finish with a worded answer. They will next train together on the 24th day. So that is the way we break down a word problem. You look for those common words, you look for words like just soonest, lowest, biggest, maximum, and that'll help you establish whether you're doing GCD or LCM. Then we solve as per usual.